Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 43b, in which we will take the review of 3 verb keys: fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. If you know the Madi key fa'ala, you can make the rest of the forms by adding u, ta, tu, tum, na at the end. So if you know fa'ala, you can make all the 6 forms: fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. Similarly, if you know yaf'alu, the mudari' key, you can have the rest of the forms by having ya, ta, a, ta, na in the beginning and una at the end for the first 2 plurals. That is, if you have yaf'alu, you can make the rest of the table yaf'aluna, taf'alu, af'alu, taf'aluna, naf'alu. And if you know if'al, the amr key, you can make the rest of the forms if'alu, la taf'al, la taf'alu. So fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al are the 3 verb keys representing madi, mudari' and amr forms. In the short table, we will write just the 3 keys: fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. There are 4 common styles of this fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. The small changes in these styles are there only to make them easy to say these verb forms. Let's practice these verb forms. Fataha, yaftahu, iftah.
فتح يفتح افتح.
Nasara, yansuru, unsur.
نصر ينصر انصر.
Daraba, yadribu, idrib.
ضرب يضرب اضرب.
Sami'a, yasma'u, isma'.
سمع يسمع اسمع.
MashaAllah. On the pattern of fataha, yaftahu, iftah, we have learned 2 more verbs, which are ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al, fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. Can you repeat after me? Ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al.
جعل يجعل اجعل.
Fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al.
فعل يفعل افعل.
On the style of nasara, yansuru, unsur, we have 3 more verbs: abada, dhakara and khalaqa. So can you repeat after me? Abada, ya'budu, u'bud.
عبد يعبد عبد.
ذكر يذكر أذكر.
ذكر يذكر اذكر.
خلق يخلق أخلق.
خلق يخلق اخلق.
Third style is ضرب يضرب اضرب, and we have not taken any verb on that pattern. Now we'll take the last pattern, which is سمع يسمع اسمع. On this style we have علم and عمل. So repeat after me. علم يعلم اعلم.
علم يعلم اعلم.
عمل يعمل اعمل.
عمل يعمل اعمل.
MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.